been 75 years. And even bigger are the questions surrounding the Obama White House's role in what is the biggest abuse of power corruption scandal in history. Here to react to our investigation, which is only the tip of the iceberg, Fox News contributor, former Secret Service agent Dan Bongino. A lot of dirt there, Dan, and I'm just touching the surface. Those are the headlines.
Yeah, you are, Sean, but there's a lot there, and let's just break it down to a couple of things. Joe Biden has a lot of problems. Problem number one, he's been in office literally as long as I've been alive, not figuratively. As long as I've been alive, Joe Biden's been a politician. He's not exactly the change agent you've been looking for to make a terrible Star Wars analogy. Number two, he happens to be a male and white, which doesn't matter to me or you or, frankly, a lot of our viewers, but to the identity politics left, they've mired themselves in this, the melanin content of your skin means everything, and where you were born. Again, that doesn't matter to people who care about ideas, but that's not where the left is right now. Third, most importantly, what you just brought up, John Solomon's work on this, he should get a Pulitzer for this. His work on Joe Biden in the Ukraine, what happened in Ukraine with Hunter Biden. Remember, Sean, Joe Biden takes a trip in April 2014 over to Ukraine. Conveniently, right in that exact same time period, his son gets a lucrative appointment to Burisma, a natural gas company where he's paid a fortune in a monthly stipend, and the Ukrainians are investigating that. Joe Biden, according to John Solomon's reporting, pressured the Ukrainians to stop that investigation.
Yeah, and
it sounds like collusion to me, Sean.
With a kid that knew nothing about China or equities. Sure, just a pure accident. Dan, thank you. More Hannity after this.